Next. 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 Game. Wah. Tiga mo.
Pangit. Hey. Happy anniversary.
Happy mansari. Ay. Mali.
Where are we now?
We're here in Singapore.
What are we going to do?
We're looking for a restaurant.
Okay. Want to scream. Can I?
So, dami namin nakain, no? Dami namin take-out.
Sayang naman kasi.
Order kami worth $75 sa pagkain. Dalawa lang kami. Ang dami.
Million land. Since this is our anniversary celebration,
Hi guys!
I prepared 10 questions na sasagutin natin dalawa. And ito lang naman, simple questions lang naman. So first, basahin mo.
First question. What is one difference between us that you absolutely love?
Ikaw kasi, kalmado ka sa lahat ng bagay. Ako kasi, once na, yung kunwari, yung nag-arrive yung problem, ako agad parang, I always panic, I always, parang gusto ko masolusyonan agad. Parang ganun ako. Kaya humahanap agad ako ng ways to, or nag-isip agad ako ng ways to resolve that problem. Ikaw, go with the flow lang, sobrang kalmado, Kaya,
Kumakanta lang ako, kalmado ang paligid. Habang nakawag. Ako, feeling ko naman, hindi tayo magtatagal ng ganito if we have a lot of differences. Kasi, siyempre, hindi tayo magkakaintindihan.
okay, second question. If you could describe our relationship in one word, what would it be? Without any explanation.
Strong.
Consistent.
Number 3, what small gesture from me means a lot to you?
Sobrang na-appreciate ko. Yung kunyari, nanonood kami ng theater, nasa Makati kami. Nagyayaya ka ng mga kaibigan mo to go to BGC. Siguro para isudoin ako or ano. Pero nagyaya ka. Pero hindi mo sa akin sinasabi na nagyayaya ka na. Parang hinihintay mo ako na sabihin, "Ngep, nandito ako sa Makati, gundulin mo ako." Pero without knowing na on my end, na nagsasabi ka na sa mga friends mo na, "Let's go to BGC." Or parang parang double purpose na rin yun.
Actually, mga ko lang yun, mga natural thing.
Natural thing na pupunta ka ng BGC tapos nasa Makati ako.
Oo, kasi double purpose na. Susunduin makakapag-stay na tayo, makatambay na tayo, and at the same time, masusundo na kita. Hindi ka na makakasalubong, di ba? Ako naman, I like the things na binibigyan mo ako ng mga small stuff. Yung mga kitchen na maliliit. Actually, natutuwa ako doon. Though hindi ko naman siya ginagamit masyado. Kasi wala naman akong paggagamitan. Meron na ako susi lang. Pero natutuwa ako doon.
Talaga? Four. What is the most adventurous thing we've ever done together?
For me, it's diving.
Ay, okay.
Kasi hindi mo naman...
Guys, hindi ako marunong talaga mag-swimming, hindi ako maano. Kaya lang ako natutong mag-freediving kasi laging ito, every time na mag-travel kami, laging ito sinasabi ko na huwag kang lumangon dito kasi baka mamaya mawala ka. Ano sabihin ko sa magulang mo?
Honestly.
Laging siyang ganun. So talaga, okay, let's do freediving and ayun. So, happy din ako doon. Uy, that is adventure,
Yeah,
kasi hindi talaga ako marunong mag-swim.
Sir.
But, natuto ko din.
Wow! Yes, number 5. What do you think is our biggest strength as a couple? You first.
Well, I think prayer. Naano ko siya, nung time na nagka-COVID ako, na ikaw yung nag-initiate na, okay, let's pray. Ganun. Together, via online lang, like via Facebook, FaceTime, or basta ganun. Ayun yung parang feel ko. And yun, wala lang. Na-appreciate ko every time na sinasabi mo sa akin na, pinag-pray kita. How about you?
Ako, biggest strength is yung we are updated to each other. Kasi kapag hindi updated ang isang relationship, siya, weak siya. So, kasi sa simpleng bagay na gano'n, doon magsisimula yung mga yung mga bagay na hindi magkakaintindihan. Number 6 question. What do you think is my love language?
Okay. Your love language are gift giving and act of service. Gift giving, since basta lagi mo akong binibigyan ng something like food, things, stuff, mga ganun. So, mahilig kang bumili out of nowhere. Then, act of service, di ba every time na, isa lang sa example, every time na mag-vlog tayo, you always cook some food. How about me?
You? Yung words of affirmation. Wala ka lang. Kasi lagi kang skip mag-chat.
Oh, really? What is the thing you do that I really love and want to? I think parang I want to receive a words of affirmation coming from you. Like, minsan ka na kasi mag-ganun. Minsan ka lang magsabi ng mga sweet words. Pero, don't get me wrong. Kapag kunyari seryosong usapan, dun ako nakakuha ng words of affirmation sa'yo. in terms of life advices. But not a sweet way. Parang ganun siya. Pero I really love it. So I want you to do that.
When binavalue mo, kasi minsan, may mga times na, I'm thinking about others first before.
Okay.
And pinapaalala mo sa akin na parang
You first.
me first and then
What is your favorite memory of us?
favorite memory of us, especially when we are traveling first. Kasi dito tayo gumagastos eh. And then,
And we're not just doing magastos, but we're creating memories.
yeah,
Sabi ni Mama, doon mo makikilala ang isang tao when you are traveling.
number 9. Since we are traveling right now, what is the best romantic destination you wish to travel with? Yeah. Ito.
Ako, actually, sobrang mabig na ng Korea since gusto talagang pumunta doon. But I think Paris is expensive. But yun nga,
Yeah,
sobrang
no.
romantic place kasi daw ng Paris. So, yeah.
Me, we talk about this before. It's the Maldives.
Oh my God! Yeah?
The Maldives. Since we love beaches, parang core memory talaga yun. Number 10. What is your 10 years message? To me,
I message you.
kapong ka, sabadi ka, just always make sure that the Lord is the center of our relationship. Because we can do things without Him. Talaga kailangan natin ng help ng Lord para ma-accomplish lahat ng bagay. Hindi lang sa relationship natin, bagay sa ibang bagay, bagay sa buhay.
Happy 10 years. Grabe, happy 10 years. Sobrang daming tao na hindi na umaabot sa ganitong years. But,
Grabe ko naman, namamatay na sila.
I don't know, like, baliw. Whether nagbe-break sila or something. But,
Sabi mo ulit, maraming taong hindi na maabot sa ganitong years.
no. But
Maraming relationship.
since, maraming relationship, hindi na umaabot sa But since God is the center of our relationship, we always thank God for everything na nagawa na natin and magagawa pa natin. And we're always grateful for that. And, ayun, more years to come, more adventures to come, more beach to come. So, ayan. That's it. Happy anniversary.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for watching this vlog. Okay. Bye.
2.5 mo.